Hello friends. In general, if everyone wants to start a business, they think they need a great idea. If you work hard at that brilliant idea, you will expect that you will become a billionaire or at least a millionaire. For example, Mark Zuckerberg's Facebook, the idea of sharing videos on YouTube. Similarly, if we come up with an idea, we think our business will be successful immediately. But that is not true. If we look at the startups of big companies like Facebook and YouTube, their ideas may not be as good as they are now. Facebook started as a game type website called Hot or Not. Its name is facemash.com. YouTube was also an online dating site before it became a video sharing site. All the big businesses in the world today were not initially successful with their idea. But they became successful because they modified the idea to suit customers or users. Startup is not work on a brilliant idea and became an overnight success. Startup is an experiment. You should create changes continuously and will have to run a lot of tests. Eric Ries worked for an app company called IMVU. With the fund they raised, their team worked hard for 6 months to complete and launch the gaming and messaging app named IMVU. But within 6 months of investing a lot of money in that app and creating and launching a perfect product, no one downloaded it. The reason for this is the IMVU's team assumed that customers will be able to expect all of this in one app. They wasted their time, effort and money on their first attempt. So, lot of startups fail because an idea may seem too cool to them and they need it. But before creating a product, you need to confirm whether the market needs that product or not. So, follow the lean startup method without wasting all the total time, energy, money near you to work on your idea in the beginning. There are 3 steps in the lean startup method: build, measure and learn. Startup is an experiment, so it's going to be like a cycle. In the first step, we need to create a minimum viable product. The MVP must have all the key features of our product. After that, launch this MVP and see its responses in the market. Then you need to study whether your idea is working in the market or not. For example, the ship has not been found. It turns out that you have to make a cruise ship. This is your dream product. Your vision is to make this cruise ship, but in the beginning, you have the money to make the cruise ship. You should not make it. You do not know if the ship will work in the market as no one has discovered yet. So you list the key features of a ship. Your minimum viable product should be float at the sea. Passengers should be able to sit on it and the ship should be able to move at sea. We must also navigate it. Now that this minimum viable product is ready, launch it and see the customer's response. Analyze whether the positive feedback is coming from your customers or whether they are giving negative feedbacks. When your minimum viable product receives positive feedback, you need to improvise on its features a little and move on to your dream product. This is what we call persevere. If you do not receive a positive response, you should take a pivot. That is, change your product as your customers wish. For example, there is a website called Zappos.com. Selling shoes online is its idea. When the founder of this website came up with this idea, he had an assumption that customers would buy shoes online. He created a minimum viable product with full-fledged and not invested the full amount with him. To see how that minimum viable product was created, he went to a shoe shop and started taking photos of the shoes there. The photos were taken and a website was created at a very low cost and posted as for sale. After the order came on his website, he bought the shoes from the shop and delivered them by courier. After testing this idea in the market, he started getting a lot of positive responses. Within a short time, he started getting a lot of orders and he could not deliver all the orders. Now, he realizes that this idea is working well in the market. Now he has started to continue with some extra investments in his idea. In a short time, Zappos.com became a billion-dollar company. Like this, Kevin created a check-in app called Bourbon, which had a game called Mafia Wars. Then there was a feature of taking photos. He was little tensed after the launch because Bourbon did not get the responses as he did. He realized that Bourbon would not reach greater heights if it went this way. So he used the lean startup method, and after looking at the responses, he took a pivot. Everybody liked that photo taking feature more than any other feature on the Bourbon app. That was the only app everyone used. After realizing that everyone was using this feature more, Kevin discussed it with his co-founder and took a big risk. He took all the features from Bourbon app and only minimized the feature of taking photos. He made improvements in that feature itself. After the improvements, it was relaunched. After this pivot, Bourbon became a famous app. Yes, Bourbon is the Instagram we all know. Similarly, if your startup idea does not get the same results as before, you will have to experiment and pivot. We may have seen a lot of people start business, but within a few days of starting, the business will close if they do not get the results they deserved. Some people do not get the results they want, but they do not quit. They do not come up with a change. They try again and again and again. A lot of time, effort and money will be failed. So, if you are starting a business, keep this lean startup method in mind. Create a minimum viable product in your business idea and launch it, and continue when you get the results you deserved. If you do not get the results as you think, change your product as per the feedback given by the customers. That is pivot and relaunch after pivoting. If you get a good response, continue. Pivot again if you get a negative response again. There is one more thing you need to keep in your mind. A startup should have a limited amount of funds. They can't handle a lot of pivots either. So do this pivot and calculate how to do it in minimum expenses. Everything I said was told by the lean startup method. If you want to buy this book, click on the link in the description and buy the book. If you liked the video, please like, comment and share. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Watch more videos by clicking here. Thank you for watching.